Hey, what's up everybody? It's RG Armadillo Junction. Today we got the Armadillo Junction mobile camp unit out Brazos Bend State Park, so I figure we're gonna do a little Dutch oven cooking. I'm gonna do a little Picadillo tacos. So y'all come along, let me show you what I got. Alright, here's what we're working with. We got 2 pounds of ground beef chuck, 80%, 20% version. We got Red over there chopping up 4 Roma tomatoes. We got 1 jalapeno pepper, and I got 4 cloves of garlic I'm gonna throw in there. And I got 4 regular russet potatoes. I may add another russet potato. And then we're gonna chop up about a cup of onion or so. That's what the ingredients are, and we'll get right back with you. All right, we got our 2 pounds of chuck in there. We're gonna go ahead and throw the onions in, jalapenos, and the garlic. We'll get them cooking down. You'll have to excuse the onions and the jalapenos got me sniffling. All right, we'll stir those in. We'll save the tomatoes a little bit later. As you can see, we're cooking on a standard pit here, standard state park pit. Got sitting right on the coals there. We'll get that cooked up a little more, and we'll get right back with you. All right, we got her good and browned up. I'm gonna push some of this to the side, try to get some of that grease out of there. I like using this 80-20 because it's got a lot more flavor. I'm not worried about the health thing when I'm out camping. It tastes a lot better. So it's got a lot more grease. All right, we're gonna go ahead and throw in the potatoes. And I forgot, the bouillon cubes is gonna go in there. We're gonna put in some water. Get them potatoes all softened up. Got another ingredient, cumin to taste. We're gonna put about that much, but start off with, if y'all know what that measurement is. Then we're gonna do salt and pepper it up. And give it a good stir. Get those potatoes back down in the juice so they'll start steaming up, soften and soak in the flavors. We'll put it on and let it go a little while. All right, let's take a look at this awesomeness. Oh yeah, we're boiling down good. I did a little sample on the taste sample. We're gonna add a little more cumin, a little more salt and pepper. Didn't want to overdo it right off the bat. What works good on this also is McCormick's Mexican spice. If you can ever find it, it's hard to find. That's the taste. Some people don't like it. I'm gonna dump in a bunch more black pepper too. And we're gonna throw in the tomatoes. I ran off and left my cilantro at home, so there won't be no cilantro in this one. We'll get all this mixed up good and we'll put the lid back on, let her go some more. Yeah! Wow! I think I heard Papa Texas and Billy in the background. They must be in the same campground I am this week. Alright, put her back on. Let her go. Red won't do the yeah wow with me. Say yeah. Yeah. Wow. Come on, do it. Do it. No yeah wow? Say yeah wow. Huh? Okay, no yeah wow. Alright, we're gonna crack the lid here and boil out some of that goodness. Get some of that liquid out of there. Let her simmer on down and it'll be done. Tortillas on there. Get them warmed up a little bit. Turn the heat up. We'll be ready to eat some Picadillo tacos.
And let's eat.
Alright, Picadillo tacos all ready. How about that hamburger goodness? And it should have some chopped up cilantro on it, but it's at the house 90 miles away, so we're just gonna eat it like it is. Woo! Hot. Yeah! Wow! Good stuff. Alright. Till next time, we'll see y'all down the road.